Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus, a masterpiece of speed, luxury, and innovation. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus is a masterpiece of automotive engineering and a true testament to Bugatti's pursuit of speed, luxury, and innovation. Here's a detailed review of this iconic hypercar. The Chiron Supersport 300 Plus is a special edition of the Bugatti Chiron, created to celebrate Bugatti's achievement of breaking the 300 miles per hour, 483 kilometers per h barrier. It is a limited production model with only 30 units ever made, making it one of the most exclusive and sought-after hypercars in the world. Top speed, 304 miles per hour, 490 kilometers per h, one of the fastest production cars ever built. Engine, 8.0L quad turbocharged W16, the same legendary engine as the standard Chiron, but tuned for even greater performance. Power, 1,600 horsepower and 1,180 lb-ft of torque. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds and 0 to 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per h in 5.8 seconds. Transmission, 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, optimized for high-speed stability. The Supersport 300 Plus is not just about raw speed, it's about delivering that speed with precision, control, and refinement. The car's aerodynamics, suspension, and powertrain have been meticulously engineered to handle the extreme forces experienced at such high speeds. The Supersport 300 Plus features a long-tail design, inspired by Bugatti's record-breaking prototype. The elongated rear end improves aerodynamics and high-speed stability. The car also has a sleek, aggressive stance with carbon fiber bodywork and unique orange accents on the launch model. Special lightweight alloy wheels with aerodynamic covers to reduce drag. Luxurious and driver-focused, with premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The interior is customizable to the owner's preferences, as with all Bugatti models. The Supersport 300 Plus has been fine-tuned for optimal airflow and stability at extreme speeds. Key features include a longer rear diffuser for improved downforce, revised air intakes and exhaust systems for better cooling and efficiency, a retractable rear wing that adjusts automatically based on speed and driving conditions. The Supersport 300 Plus is designed to remain composed and stable even at its top speed. The suspension system has been recalibrated to handle the unique demands of high-speed driving. Despite its performance capabilities, the Chiron Supersport 300 Plus is surprisingly comfortable for daily driving. Bugatti has managed to strike a balance between track-ready performance and road-going refinement. The W16 engine produces a deep, thunderous roar that is both exhilarating and unmistakably Bugatti. The car features adaptive suspension and advanced stability systems to ensure optimal handling in all conditions. While the focus is on performance, the Supersport 300 Plus still includes modern driver aids like traction control, ABS, and customizable driving modes. A high-end sound system, digital instrument cluster, and intuitive infotainment system are included, though they take a backseat to the driving experience. Approximately $3.9 million USD before customization and taxes. Only 30 units were produced, making it one of the rarest and most exclusive hypercars in the world. Unmatched top speed and acceleration. Exquisite design and craftsmanship. A perfect blend of performance and luxury. Limited production ensures exclusivity. Extremely high price tag, making it inaccessible to all but the wealthiest enthusiasts. Not practical for everyday use, though it's more comfortable than most hypercars. Limited availability. The Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus is more than just a car. It's a statement of engineering excellence and a celebration of Bugatti's legacy. It pushes the boundaries of what's possible in a production car, offering unparalleled speed, luxury, and exclusivity. For those lucky enough to own one, it's not just a vehicle, it's a piece of automotive history.